Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix Meetup app login issues. So let's get started with the troubleshooting. So the first one is you need to make sure that you are using the correct email and password. If you're again facing the issue, you have to make sure that you're switching the Wi-Fi to cellular data and using a good internet connection. The next step which you can do is in the settings, click on the search icon at upper right side. Search for the Meetup application and post that. Scroll down. Here you will see storage section. Click on clear cache at below right corner. Once you have cleared the cache, the next thing which you can do is make sure that you're using the updated version. Click on search bar, go to App Store, search for Meetup application, and if you get an update option here, make sure that you update the application. The last thing which you can do is you can check if the server is down for this application. Open any of the browser and search in the search bar, is Meetup application facing any server issues today? It can be possibility that the issue is from their end itself. As you can see, it's written no current problems. That means it is not facing any issue today. The last option which you can do is try to reinstall the Meetup application. How you can do that is hold on that particular application. You will get an option of uninstall here. Click on this uninstall and then again go to Play Store and install it. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.